Hello and welcome to this week's video. Today's video is the takeoff from Fuerteventura on our return leg to Manchester Airport from our family holiday in August of 2025. Today's flight is a Boeing 737-800, registration 9 Alpha Bravo Charlie, and it's a 737-800. Taxi route takes us from the stand, filming on the DJI Pocket 2, down taxiway A5 to L5. Then we turn on to T7, straight to the very end before we make our exit onto 83. And we set the exit Echo 7. And line up ready for takeoff on 01. As we take off, we make a slight right and then we go over the Puerto del Rosso, we go up the coast, past the Parque Natural Coriello, get to see the Isla de Lobos, and then we continue on. I couldn't film very much more than that due to the light. The reflections was horrendous, and obviously being a night flight you couldn't see very much anyway. this concludes part 3 in our holiday series from Fuerteventura. Part 1 was the takeoff, the slight diversion with the thunderstorms, and then the landing into Fuerteventura. The second video was the accessibility at the SBH Matorral, so I do hope you enjoyed that video, and finally ending with the takeoff from Fuerteventura. So that concludes our holiday for 2025. I've got plenty of videos in the works in the coming week regarding the Nikon Z9 with the 24-70 f2.8 and the 180 to 600mm f5.6 to 6.3. I've done landscape, wildlife, street photography, so I do hope you enjoy that. So I'd like to thank you for watching, and until the next time, cheers, out.